All right, folks, we're going to go ahead and create one of our last dimensional bricks. That's going to be the 2x4x3. We're going to start with this brick that we've used a few times already. Let's go ahead and change its name with the save as function. I'm going to save this as a 2x4x3. I'm not going to do any colors or materials on this block. It's just a basic dimensional block. So we're going to skip that for now. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here and change the edge length of our brick. Remember, we've done this a few times now. I'm going to change this first number. That's our variable relating to studs. And it's going to calculate that for us. We can go ahead and finish that. Let's move into our next thing, which is the second sketch where we can change the number of studs. This is going to be very easy. We're going to go ahead and turn that to 4 and pull him down another 8 millimeters. That's going to be to -24. Again, remember the negative numbers are just direction in this stuff. Okay, they don't mean what negative numbers do in normal math classes. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is turn these elements on, these features on. We have to go into the extrude feature that relates to those and extrude or select them so that it extrudes them. You can see that there we go. We've got most of it. We just need this last little snap ring. The snap rings were created in this sketch down here. So let's go ahead and edit this sketch element. We do have a pattern tool in here, so we can go ahead and click that rectangular pattern. Now we can pull this down to the next 8 millimeter multiple and turn it up to 3. Hit OK. Finish this sketch element, and then turn that feature on. So there we go. We have created this part. Now we do have one other thing to do, and that's to make this one tall. So let's go through the feature that relates to that and change this to 9.6 millimeters. And you should see that the bottom line, if I did it right, snapped to the edge, and it did. So wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Let's go ahead and do this as a multi-view so you guys can see everything. There you go. And now I'm going to go ahead and save it. And I'm going to stop this video here.